Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to enable different beta versions of games that you have that are either launching out a new test update to check it out before it's fully launched so that you can help test it, or in the case of things like Schedule 1 that's already in testing phase because it's in early access, you can check out different builds before they go live to see which one is actually functional and going to actually be interesting for you to play when it comes out. So in this case, if you want to check out the betas for Schedule 1, all you have to do is find the game inside of your Steam library. It helps if it's installed. And then you right-click it, and then you go to Properties. Inside of Properties, you'll notice there's a whole bunch of options in these little tabs on the left-hand side. You want to go to the Betas section, and inside of here, you'll see Beta Participation at the top. If the beta versions are made available publicly, they will already be showing up in here, and then you can click on one of them. Let's say I want to try the beta. I can host the current beta version. It might be unstable, or the alternative beta. Whatever one of these you pick, you can click on it, then you can close it out, and then you can click on Update, and it'll download whatever version needs to be downloaded. I think I've got other stuff in queue right now. So it'll download whatever beta version is currently available. Sometimes they have a specific version. Sometimes they just have a generic beta that you can download, and it'll just download whatever's currently available. And then once it's done, you can play it and try it out, and it'll tell you which version of the beta you currently have. And if it's not working, or you're tired of playing with it and you want to go back to playing the normal version, you can go back to Properties, you can go back to Betas, and then you can select None. Similarly, sometimes to kind of control who has access to information about the latest build of a game so that only a select number of people can try it out, game developers will either send you a key in your email, or maybe you're like a part of their testing group online in a forum somewhere. They'll give you a code. You can put the code in here, and once you hit enter, then the beta will show up inside this pull down that might not have shown up before. And they'll usually tell you what the name is, so even if there are other betas available, you won't get confused which one is which. And that's basically how to install different beta versions of games on Steam in a nutshell. It's all handled automatically through the library interface. You don't have to do anything special or fart around with dragging and dropping and installing stuff manually on your computer. Steam handles it for you just to make sure stuff doesn't break. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This has been a brief look at how to download beta versions of games on Steam. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.